Your Zenseio device is compatible with a wide range of popular sensors. The following guide will demonstrate how to connect a temperature sensor to your LSMP device through the GPI 3 port. Let's begin. Though it's recommended to power down your Zenseio device before connecting any sensors, you can connect sensors while the device is powered on, called hot plugging. The following guide will show you both methods. For the cold plugging method, start with your device powered on and use the Zenseio mobile app to configure the GPI ports to your desired settings. To learn more about how to do this, consult the mobile app guide on Zenseio's knowledge base. After configuring your device with the app, be sure to press the user button once in order to save your configuration to memory. If this is not done, the configuration will be reset upon power restart. Be sure to wait until your LEDs stop flashing for several seconds before powering your device down. Turn the cable gland at the bottom of your device counterclockwise to open it, and snake the wire end of your sensor through the bottom. Draw your cable up towards the top of the device, being careful to not let any exposed wiring touch any of the delicate components. Note that the color scheme of wiring can vary greatly between different models of sensors, so be sure to refer to your sensor's manual to make sure you know which wire is which. Take your sensor's ground cable or cables, push the green tab above the port labeled GND, and insert the exposed wire all the way while keeping the tab depressed. Because it can be difficult to press down the plastic tabs on your device's ports, you can use a small flat tip screwdriver in the groove to push the tab down more fully. Once the wire is firmly inserted, release the green tab. Repeat these steps with your remaining cable or cables in your chosen GPI port. To check if your connection is secure, you can very lightly tug on the wire to make sure that it's in all the way. You are now free to power up your device, but make sure to not press the user button in order to avoid a factory reset. When you're satisfied that your cables are securely installed, you can close the device and test to make sure your sensor is connected correctly using the Zenseio mobile app. Before checking your configuration, wait a minute for the device to initialize before reading the NFC chip. Press the Read tab, then touch your phone's NFC reader to the NFC chip at the front of the device. You can see your sensor's status at the very bottom of the mobile app, as shown. If your device's configuration is not as expected, you can reconfigure using the mobile app and test it by pressing the user button. And gently turn the cable gland clockwise to tighten it back up. For the hot plugging method, make sure your device is powered on and idle with no active LEDs flashing for a little while. As before, configure your GPI ports using the mobile app and connect the sensors the same way. Once your sensors are connected, you can press the user button to test a transmission. Be sure to wait a minute before testing your configuration using the NFC chip. If after testing your device's configuration is not correct, reconfigure using the mobile app and try again by pressing the user button. To learn more, visit Zenseio.com.